We're growing a new variety of a cherry tomato this year, a black cherry tomato. I'm not familiar with it and I don't know what they look like when they're ripe and ready to pick. So today I'm going to show you a cool little trick that'll help you determine when a tomato is ripe and ready to pick. Let's get started. This is one of our big beef tomatoes. I don't think it's quite ripe enough to demonstrate this properly. Unfortunately, I don't have anything that's completely ripe, so bear with me. What I'm trying to show you here is on each tomato plant, and I know this to be true of indeterminate only. I've not grown a determinate tomato. I don't know if this applies. If you grow determinate tomatoes and you know, please leave a comment and let me know. I'm interested to see. Anyway, right here on this stem, on every indeterminate tomato is a knuckle. Kind of like what I have in my finger. I don't know if that's what it's actually called, but that's what I call it. When this tomato is ripe, when you apply pressure below and above the knuckle while it's on the plant, it'll break clean. That one is not quite ripe. See how it's still kind of stringy, it's still holding on? And you can tell on the stem it's going to snap, it's going to break completely free. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure. I hate that I can't show you what it should look like. That tomato's close enough, it's not that big of a deal. I'll take it in the house, let it ripen for a day or two. Anyway, don't matter. Let me see if I can find a black cherry tomato that's ready. That one's closer to being done. See how it broke clean? No stringy parts on it. There we go. Clean break. Another way to gauge if your tomato is ripe and ready to harvest, where the stem connects to the tomato, if it's ripe, and you apply similar pressure, it'll break away cleanly. Alright, there you go. Quick video for the day. Thank you for watching. If you're still here, please take the time to rate our video. It helps significantly. Had a fair number of new subscribers recently. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.